Hello friends, today we will talk about the delete clause in MySQL. So in today's talk we will discuss about the basic delete where we are going to delete all rows. The second one is the delete with where clause, and the third one is limiting the delete. Fine. In our next video we will talk about multi-table delete using join clause, delete versus truncate, and delete with foreign key. Fine. So let us begin with the very first, where we are going to delete all rows. So the syntax for that will be delete from table name. So here if we are going to write this query, then in that particular case this one is going to delete all the rows from the table. So let us see the example of that. Here we have one table. That table contains detail of depositors. Now I want to delete the data from this particular table. So what I need to do is simply I have to write delete from table name. So I'm going to write delete from and then name of the table. So the name of that table is deposit. So this one is going to remove all the data. This one is going to remove all the data from the table. Let me click on the go button. Fine. So this query has been executed. Now let us see the data inside the deposit table. So here we don't have any data. So this one is going to delete all the rows from the table. The next we have is delete with where clause. So the syntax for that will be delete from table name where column name equals to some value. Now in place of equal to, we can use various operators like greater than equal to, less than equal to, same like the select clause we have used. Fine. So let us see the example of that. So I'm having one table. That table is say customers table, and in that customer table I'm having the data of customers. Fine. So from this I want to delete the data of customer, say Naren. Fine. So for that I have to write a query like delete from customers where CNAME equals to Naren. Fine. So this one is going to delete last row from this particular table. Fine. So let us click on the go button. Fine. So this query has been executed. Now let us check in the table. So this customers table has no data regarding Naren. Fine. So this way we will be able to execute delete from delete with the where clause. Fine. Now the next that we have is limiting the delete. If we want to limit the number of rows to be deleted, then in that particular case we can use the limit keyword, same as we have used in select query. Fine. So suppose I want to delete first two rows. So in that case I have to write the query like delete from table name. The table name is customers table, and now I have to write limit 2. So this one is going to remove first two rows. This one is going to remove first two rows from the table. So the first two rows contain customer name Anil and Sunil. Let us click on the go button. Fine. Now let us see the result. So first two row has been removed from this table. So this way we can limit the delete operation to specific number of rows. Thank you very much. In our next video we will see multi-table delete using join clause, delete versus truncate, and delete with foreign keys.